Hey everyone, it's Heather Explores, and today I am in an abandoned China factory. I've been seeing photos of this place for a while, and seeing all the plates on the ground in stacks has really mesmerized me. So if you want to see me tour this abandoned factory, keep on watching. There's some other people here. So I guess these were shelves where the china was kept. Maybe before it hit the kilns, because the kilns are nearby. Alright, those guys went upstairs. I'm not afraid of ghosts, but I'm afraid of people. You could take me someplace haunted, I'll love it. Take me to an abandoned place, I'm gonna be worried about people the entire time.
Today I am exploring the abandoned Shenango China Factory located in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. The factory's roots date back to 1901, though this facility was actually opened in March of 1913. By the end of World War II, there was a massive demand for glazed dinnerware. As a result, Shenango became a thriving business. Over time, they were able to expand and modernize their equipment so they can quickly produce tons and tons of china. Over the years, Shenango had many different owners. The factory finally closed in December of 1991 due to a downturn in the economy. There was an auction held in 1992, though many of the finished products didn't sell. For nearly 30 years, thousands upon thousands of plates and cups have sat decaying in this factory. But I think that's what makes this place so unique and so special. As a photographer, when I take a picture, I'm not just taking a picture of the object, I'm trying to capture a feeling. And what I feel in Shenango is what could have been. I see happy family dinners. I see a morning cup of coffee. I see tea with a friend. And those plates never got to see that. Many of them are laying on the ground or in rotting crates. And who knows how long they'll be in that condition, because it appears that they're not going anywhere anytime soon. If you would like to support my adventures and my videos, please consider checking out my print shop at www.heatherexplores.com. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and stay safe out there, explorers. I'll see you in my next video.